The Graco SlimFit3 LX car seat stands out for its very narrow footprint that can fit 3 seats across while still giving children a surprisingly roomy and comfortable place to sit. Its 3-in-1 design lets you use the same seat from the early rear-facing stage through forward-facing and eventually as a high-back booster, which makes it a long-term solution for growing kids. Safety is a strong point here, with a steel-reinforced frame, energy-absorbing foam, and crash testing that goes beyond basic standards for side and side-angle impacts. Installation is easier than many convertible seats thanks to the integrated belt lock-off, intuitive lower anchor system, and clear adjustments that help you get a solid, stable fit. Daily use is parent-friendly, with a no-rethread harness and multiple headrest positions, several recline options, and harness pockets that keep straps out of the way when loading a child. Comfort details like breathable ventilation panels, removable plush inserts, and thoughtfully placed cup holders make longer rides more pleasant for both babies and older children.